Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we'll learn a Java program to find factorial of a number. So how do you find factorial of a number? Factorial of a number is multiplication of all integers smaller than or equal to that number. For example, if you want to find factorial of 4, then you have to multiply 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly for 5, 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly for 6, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you have to start multiplying from that number till 1. Okay, so let's see how can we do that through a Java program. Let's go to our Eclipse. Let me create a new class. We'll name it as factorial. Okay, then what we can do here, we'll take a variable of type integer, we'll give name as number and we'll give it as 5. So we'll try to find factorial of a number, which factorial of number 5. Okay, then we'll take another one more variable name as fact and we'll assign value as 1 to it. I'll tell you why we are assigning that. Then what we can do, we'll write a for loop. So what we'll do, for int I equal to 1, we'll start the loop from 1. Then what we'll do, I is less than or equal to number, then I plus plus. What we'll write here, fact equal to fact into I. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll print factorial of a number so what will print, plus fact. Okay, so we are trying to find factorial of 5. Let's execute. What we got? We got 120. So what I was telling, 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 equal to 120. Let's try to do for 4 and see what is the result. Run as. What we got? It's running. We got 24. So we know for 4 it is 24. Let's understand how it worked. So what we have done here, we have taken a number which is 4 and then we have taken one variable factorial and we have assigned the value as 1. Why we have assigned? Because we always know we have to multiply from the number till 1. Okay, so we kept the initial value as 1. Then we are starting a loop. We are taking a variable I and we are starting as 1 and I is less than or equal to number. So we have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 here. So we have to go till the number. That's why we are making I is less than or equal to number, which is 4 here. Then I plus plus. Here what we are doing, fact equal to fact into I. So means in the first place what is happening, what is the fact value? Fact value was 1. So 1 into, what is the I value now? I value is 1. So which is equal to 1. So now fact value equal to 1. Then again the loop went up and I value equal to 2 now. 2 is less than equal to 4. Then we came down. So what we are doing, fact equal to fact into I. So what will happen here again? Here what will happen? Earlier the fact value equal to 1. 1 into 2 which is equal to 2. Now again the loop went up, I equal to 3 because I was plus plus here. We have added one more value. So I value equal to 3 here. 3 is less than equal to 4. So here what we will do, fact value in earlier the fact value equal to 2. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. Now again the loop went up and what happened here, I value equal to 4. 4 is less than equal to 4. Yes, 4 is less than or equal to 4. So again it came down, and what is happening, factorial equal to, initially factorial value equal to 6, earlier factorial value equal to 6, 6 into 4 which is equal to 24, went up. When we went up, what is happening, the I value equal to 5, 5 is less than equal to 4, no, so our loop will not go again, so it will stop here. So whatever the fact value is there, we are going to print that, because that is the last factorial value which is calculated. So we got the result as 24. So that's how we are calculating the factorial. So that's how this program is working. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.